Changing your YouTube TV password is simple, and you can do it from any device using your Google account settings. Since YouTube TV uses your Google account login, updating your password there automatically updates it for YouTube TV as well. Follow these steps carefully to keep your account secure. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer and go to your Google account page. Sign in if needed. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu and click Security. This is where all your privacy and login settings are stored. Now scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Here you'll see an option called Password. Click on it. Google will ask you to enter your current password for verification. After confirming, you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password, something unique with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Type it twice to confirm, then select Change Password. That's it. Your YouTube TV password is now updated. The next time you use YouTube TV on any device, you'll need to log in with your new password. This helps keep your account safe and ensures no one else can access your subscription.